who don't have Polish parents, that's probably like one of the most heartbreaking things you could do to them is gain too much weight. Apparently.
It's true.
But anyway, and then...
But also lose too much weight.
Yeah. Either or. Yeah, so I was vegan for a while. I somehow made it work. It wasn't easy, but I did it. And I felt much better. I felt the difference like right away. I think after like a week, I was just like, or maybe even faster. I was just feeling like I had more energy. I felt really good. But then I started eating dairy again when I moved back to Poland. And I think it's because dairy is so popular here. And it was really hard to kind of get away from it. And I just got tired. I just got tired of like explaining to everyone why. It was like bad enough that I had to go to family dinners and say I don't eat meat. And then
they look at you like you're crazy. And also, what are you gonna eat?
What are we gonna make for you? So then to say on top of that, well, actually, also, I'm not gonna eat any animal products. That would be, at that point, I felt like it was too much. So I kind of became a semi-vegan. So I never really got back to drinking, cow milk. I switched to plant milk a long time ago, and I stayed with that.
You can't call it milk now.
I know. You told me
that.
I'm gonna call it milk, damn it. And now I became vegan again because of this movie, which really I recommend everyone. Everyone should watch this movie. It doesn't matter if you don't care about the environment. It doesn't matter if you don't care about animals. This is like totally selfish reasons for health, yeah, and a plant-based diet. For all the athletes out there, it's amazing. It's an amazing movie.
And for anyone who has a physical element to their career, you'll see. I mean, the part about the firefighters, and it was a week, 2 weeks, I think, that they had. Yeah. They changed their diet and their cholesterol levels dropped dramatically.
Yeah,
so,
and their blood pressure.
Yeah.
The number one, I think, reason
for firefighters to die on the job is heart attacks.
Heart attacks. Yeah, and it's because of their diet.
Yeah.
And the stress, obviously, but
of course, the combination of the two. So if you can get some kind of control over one of those factors, which you can because you're in charge of what you eat, then your chances are much better.
So on this channel, we're going to show you some awesome recipes you can make that are vegan. We're going to interview some people. We're going to interview athletes, nutritionists. We're going to talk to parents who are raising their kids vegan.
We're also going to cook with people. We're going to have people cook, and we're going to guide them so they see that it's easy. And we're also going to show that vegan food doesn't have to be expensive, and it's not sort of difficult. It can be cheap, and it can be simple, and it can make you feel full in a good way, and you can make a ton of it and put it in the freezer and bring it out when you don't have time to cook a whole hearty meal. So it's all good stuff.
Easy, tasty, fun, cheap,
healthy.
And we're gonna make the first recipe now.
Yes, it's gonna be a separate video. We're gonna be wearing the same things. We do wash our clothes. It's just that we're doing 2 videos in one day.
Yeah. We're channeling Steve Jobs today.
We are.
So
let's
tune in.
Let's go make lentil curry.
Yes. Bye. Oh my God, that was so fun.